I would like to explain the method for monitoring the ladder status. Here, I am supposing that the sequence program is already written to the PLC CPU. Tip the Run, Stop, Reset switch of the CPU module to the reset side for about 1 second. Then return the switch to the stop position and tip to the run side. Click the Monitor Start button on the toolbar. When in monitoring mode, the Monitor Status dialog box is displayed regardless of the monitor operation status. This icon displays the connection status with the PLC CPU and simulation function. CPU operation status by this icon displays the PLC key switch or by the remote operation from GX Works 2. This icon displays the error status of the PLC CPU. This icon displays the user error status of the PLC CPU. This part displays the maximum scan time of the PLC CPU of monitoring target. For the Q series, this value is displayed in 0.1 ms unit. This is how the ladder status is displayed. To stop the monitoring, click the Stop Monitor button.